Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Nourish Nectar. So in this video, I will guide you for the preparation of Shashtika shaali Pinda Sweda, which is the most rejuvenating therapy in Ayurveda. Before, let us know about what are the indications for Shashtika shaali Pinda Sweda. So the indications are Vatavyadi, Mamsakshaya, Balakshaya, Pakshagata, Ardita, Manyastamba, Rudrasi, Sandhishula and Sandhistamba, post-traumatic procedures and degenerative conditions. So the ingredients which is used for the preparation are 3 pala of balamula, 3 kuda of cow's milk and 3 prastha of water, 1 kudava of navara rice, that is 1 pala is equal to 48 gram, 1 kudava is equal to 192 gram and 1 prastha is equal to 768 gram. So first we have cut the balamula into small pieces, then we have to crush it and put into 3 prastha of water and then boil until it reduces to 1/4, that is nothing but 3 kuda of kashaya. Then add this kashaya to 3 kuda of cow's milk plus 1 kuda of rice, and now you have to boil it until it becomes jelly like paste, that is not too rough and not too smooth, it should be a semi-solid. Then we have to prepare balamula kashaya by taking balamula kwata 100 ml and milk 100 ml. Then we have to mix it and we have to keep in a medium low flame for boiling. You will able to see each step clearly in this preparation of Shashtika shaali Pinda Sweda. Watch closely for every step in detail. After, we have to keep this liquid for boiling in medium low flame. We have to keep it in medium low flame of this liquid throughout the procedure. Like, you should not off the flame, you have to keep it in a medium low flame throughout the procedure. After that, the prepared lukewarm Shashtika shaali we have to spread over the cloth and we have to made into pottali, which is also called as kiji in Kerala. We have clearly shown how to tie pottali in this video. Please watch it carefully and practice it step by step. Observe the technique carefully, especially how the cloth is folded and tied. Consistency in size and tightness is very important here. So observe the technique carefully. Make sure the pottali is tied firmly and evenly for effective application, because proper tying helps in maintaining the right temperature and ensure better therapeutic result. Now the pottali is ready, we can proceed with the next step of the procedure. So now we have reached for the main procedure, where first we have to start with abhyanga, that is nothing but massage with the oil. Then dip the pottali into the kashaya, and before applying to the body, please check the temperature. Then apply to the body in 3 steps. First we have to start with the tapping method, because the pottali after dipping it the heat will be more. So first we have to start with the tapping method, and then when the heat of the pottali is reduced, then go for linear method and then circular method in joints. So we have to continue this method for 2 to 3 times or till the samyak Sweda Lakshana has attained. That is nothing but the patient will feel relief from cold and relief from pain, and they will feel of heaviness is reduced, and they will feel like softness of the body, or the patient will ask us to stop. Till that, the same step has to be continued. After that, we have to remove the pinda, that is nothing but that Shashtika shaali. Then again we have to do abhyanga. Then we can ask the patient to do snana, that is nothing but bath. Then we have to suggest them the patya, proper diet. So these are the indications which I have told priorly for the Shashtika shaali Pinda Sweda. We can also go for annalepa after the Shashtika shaali Pinda Sweda procedure for the same patient. That is nothing but without the pottali, we are directly applying the annalepa for the patient. The same method, massage is done over the affected part. Hope you learned something useful today. So if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.